Well, yung parang sabi niyo, sir, na may mga officials, mga agencies, for instance, businesses, kasi understand cellphone applications na mas mabilis yung pag-process ng mga kabayan natin. So my question would be, since the art of establishment of routine, are the agencies that have the same, yung mga binanggit na or kumakabalit lang sila ng ating pero sila pa rin
Hindi natin yung iba ng pagkakataon na magsalita naman yung the praise of our task is our
Actually, sir, hindi po. Kasi po, yung complaint po kasi as you receive, no, it depends on the volume of transactions, sir. So, if they receive 1,000 transactions as compared to the other agencies who receive, let's say, 5 to 10 transactions lang. Kaya po sila, sir, nandun pa rin sa ranking ng agencies po na po complaint. So, again, we do filtering this po. Kasi po, there's complaints na as we receive literally about anything, and then there are complaints na talagang that falls under our jurisdiction. So for those na nagpo-fall po sa jurisdiction namin, we also have that list. We also have that top 10. So, ayun, meron lang po kaming data. Check ko lang.
Excuse me.
For this one, sir, ayan, kasi ano po talagang it depends on the number of transactions daily. So, opo, for art related po, SSS pa din. Kasi nga po, they have lots of transactions daily. So, it includes their online platform, their face-to-face platform. And, pero as to volume, hanggang sa ngayon po, BIR pa rin. Kasi ang dami po namin nare-receive na complaints. Kasi po, we have to remember that we have this MOA with 8888. So the complaints that they receive may napo-forward din po sa amin. So it also bloats the numbers, sir. So ayan po.
Thank you, sir. Sir, ihabol ko lang.